Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. The project today is about another facial bar that we sell in our online store and even in person when we go to all the farmers market or the pop-up show. And this is one of a best sellers. It's the Triple Clay soap by Morfosoaps. Now Triple Clay because it has three types of clays. I'll explain what's happening in this project. First, let me tell you, we have the batters here, the lye water solutions here. Those batters, we divided the whole total amount for the mold into three, and then three lye solutions. So we will stick blend each layer on its own. It's a 3-layered soap. In the batter, we have the additives that are coconut milk, aloe vera juice. I did not put the powder additive, which is kaolin clay and colloidal oatmeal, because I have them on the side for each one separate. Because one will have a bentonite clay, this is the green clay, and the other one will have bentonite clay or rasool clay, and then the third one will have the pink kaolin clay. And then we have our essential oil, so we use sweet orange essential oil for this project. I will start with this one, eyeballing it into the three. So we have our essential oils added in. Then we will add in each layer the powders. So on top of the oils that we have, which is coconut oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, olive oil, castor oil, and then we have the coconut milk and the aloe vera juice, as I mentioned. And now I'm adding the clays with the colloidal oatmeal. Now sometimes this is how I do it. I add everything in the oils because I have the lyes separated, so I stick blend each one on its own very well, and then I pour the layer. I wait for it to set up, I stick blend the next one, I pour it on top, wait for it to set up, and do the third one. Now I've seen other soapers, and also there's another way to do it. Because you're using clays, you can disperse those clays in a little bit of water, especially hot water. They will dissolve very easily, and then you can add them, and you can always deduct the water amount from the lye water solution. But I find this is more convenient for me, less messy, because I hate when I put water in those and then I have to scrape it and fight with it. So I love this way. So I will go fast in the video because basically that's the whole project. Mixing, pouring 3 times, texturing the top, and that's it. I'll speak to you again tomorrow during the cut. hello again. So this is the second day. We are cutting the triple clay soap by Morfosoaps. So we removed it from the mold, and that's how it looks like. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this shows better the cut. And always satisfying to cut the soap and hear the sound of the wire. That's it. And that's the inside. As you can see, 3 layers clearly. 1, 2, and 3. And each one has a clay. Ladies and gentlemen, triple clay soap by Morfosoaps. Thanks for taking the time and watching the video. Like it, share it with your friends, help us be more visible on YouTube if you want. Until next week, I'll see you again with another soap making video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and bye for now.